Better than pizza? Today, I'm showing you how to make German Flammkuchen, also known as Tarte Flambée. The base is simple. Mix flour, cold water, a small amount of vegetable oil and a generous amount of salt. There is no dough that you can buy to substitute this one, so you better be willing to make your hands dirty for the traditional version. So we're gonna knead it for about 5 minutes. The dough shouldn't stick to your fingers. If it does, add more flour. As mentioned, the dough needs to rest for 30 minutes, so we're gonna put it in a bowl and cover it with a lid or a plastic wrap, and we're gonna let the dough sit. In the meantime, let's prepare sauce and the onions. And no, that's not tomato sauce, that's crème fraîche or sour cream with a pinch of salt, pepper and nutmeg. Just be careful with the salt here, you don't want it to be too salty. There will be bacon on the top of it after all. Slice the onion thinly, this way you ensure that they're not raw when the Flammkuchen is ready. Now we're gonna preheat the oven to 250 degrees Celsius and we're gonna let the baking tray warm up in the oven as well. It is a crucial step because when the dough hits the hot surface, it starts cooking immediately, creating a crisp bottom instead of remaining pale and soggy. I also use this trick to make pizza. After resting, we're going to transfer the dough into a lightly floured work surface and knead it for 1 minute. Divide the dough into 4 equal portions and shape into rounds. The key is rolling it super thin. That's what makes Flammkuchen so crispy. Now we're gonna roll the dough out. Don't worry if they aren't even, it doesn't really matter. Transfer the dough to a baking sheet and spread the toppings. First a layer of sauce, at least 3 tablespoons of it, then the onions and smoky bacon lardons. Keep it simple, that's tradition. However, if you want a vegetarian twist, just swap bacon lardons for bell pepper cubes. Take out the hot baking tray from the oven and be careful here so you don't burn yourself. Slide the Flammkuchen onto it and bake it for 8 to 10 minutes until the edges are golden and crispy. And while we wait, let me know in the comments, would you actually pick Flammkuchen over pizza? And also, could you please give me a favor? If you are getting value from this video, give me a like. I kindly appreciate that. And after you've done all of this, let's check out our Flammkuchen. Look at it, bubbling cream, crisp bacon and perfectly cooked onions. If you want to still stick to the pizza dough, check out my latest blog about the German onion cake. Alternatively, watch a traditional German appetizers video for an ultimate German party.